Welcome to Top Rated Crew, the YouTube channel that helps you make the best online shopping. Today, we'll be looking at the 3 best wireless electric ratchets on Amazon. Stay until the end of the video if you want to see which product we recommend is the best. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our latest videos. The third position goes to the Alban cordless electric ratchet wrench set. You can find the links for each product in the video description. When looking for an efficient and reliable tool for your automotive or DIY projects, the Alban cordless electric ratchet wrench set stands out as a top choice. This tool features a powerful motor that delivers up to 55 foot-pounds of torque, making it suitable for various tasks, from removing stubborn bolts to tightening screws with ease. The cordless design ensures that you have the freedom to move around without being restricted by cables, while the lightweight construction makes it comfortable to handle during extended use. The set includes 2 lithium-ion batteries, allowing you to work continuously without long breaks for recharging. The built-in LED light illuminates dark work areas, enhancing visibility and precision. Additionally, the Alban ratchet wrench has a variable speed trigger, providing you with full control over your work pace. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this ratchet wrench set combines power, convenience, and versatility to meet your needs. Number 2 is the Yugfin cordless electric ratchet wrench. The Yugfin cordless electric ratchet wrench is an excellent addition to any toolkit, designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. With a powerful motor delivering 40 foot-pounds of torque, it effectively tackles various fastening tasks. The cordless design offers convenience and portability, allowing you to work in tight spaces without being hindered by cords. This tool features variable speed control for precision, and its built-in LED light enhances visibility in dimly lit areas. The set includes 2 lithium-ion batteries, ensuring you have enough power for extended use, making it a reliable choice for your projects. And to finish, the first position goes to the Chemo 20D cordless ratchet wrench 3/8 set. The Chemo 20D cordless ratchet wrench 3/8 set is a versatile tool designed for efficiency and convenience. With a robust motor providing up to 45 foot-pounds of torque, it can handle various automotive and home repair tasks effortlessly. Its cordless design allows for unrestricted movement, while the lightweight build ensures comfort during prolonged use. This set comes with 2 lithium-ion batteries, offering extended runtime and quick recharging. Additionally, the integrated LED light illuminates dark workspaces, making it easier to see your tasks clearly. This ratchet wrench is an excellent choice for anyone seeking reliability and performance. We hope you enjoyed our top 3 wireless electric ratchets that you can buy online through Amazon and at the best prices. Remember that you'll find the links to buy these products in the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our updates. See you in the next video.